everyone, welcome back to another book review video and I hope you all are doing fine and thank you for clicking on today's video. Today I'm going to review a book series that is Once Upon a Broken Heart by Stephanie Garber. It's a high fantasy, romance, young adult, magical book series. It has 3 books and first book is Once Upon a Broken Heart, second book is The Ballad of Never After and the third is The Curse for True Love. This was magical and I loved and enjoyed reading this a lot. I'm not going to spoil the story for you and before moving to review, I'm going to give you the beginning or plot of the story so you know what the story is about without spoiling anything. So here's the plot of the book. The story follows Evangeline who believes in true love and hope, finding out that the love of her life is marrying someone else. Desperate to stop the wedding and heal her wounded heart, she makes the deal with a charismatic, wicked prince of hearts, Jax. In exchange for his help, he asks for 3 kisses to be given at the time and place of his choosing. But after Evangeline's first promise kiss, she learns that bargaining with the immortal is a dangerous game and the Prince of Hearts wants more than that she had pledged. He has plans for Evangeline, plans that will end in a greatest happily ever after or an exquisite tragedy. So this was the beginning of the first book in the series and I can't say for the next books because it will be a spoiler. So let's get into the spoiler-free review of the book. I love this whole fantasy series so much. It's an enemies to lovers trope. The whole series is from third perspective but still it follows other characters too from the third POV. Talking about writing and the world, then both of them were so magical and beautiful. Whenever I read this, I was literally transported to that world, to be honest. It's that good. The story is very engaging. It keeps you hooked to the story. You will want to start the next book right after completing the previous one. Especially after second book, you won't be able to stop yourself from reading third book because the second book ends on a crazy cliffhanger. I usually take at least few hours break before starting the next book of any series, but in this one it was not possible, to be honest. It's that engaging. It's a fantasy romance but it also has that adventurous thrill to it and it gives you a lot of plot twists that will make you go, oh my god, what's going to happen next. Talking about the characters are amazing and there are also a lot of them that you will have to catch up with all of them, but still it's not that hard because they will come again, so it's not that hard. And our main characters, Evangeline and Jax, has my heart. I love them so much. They are my favorites now. Jax is great, no doubt in that. You will feel a lot happy, sad and everything for him. And I was just scrolling Goodreads after reading the first book and I found this written by Anna Huang and I was like, I agree. And the FMC, Evangeline believes in love and happily ever after. She also has a lot of hope and determination for everything. So will she get her happily ever after? That's a question throughout the whole book and I'm not going to say further because I don't want to spoil anything. Well, I have a lot to say, to be honest. Also, Stephanie Garber has written a series named Carnival and both the series have some similar characters but it's not compulsory. You can start reading this book without reading Carnival too. What made me love this series so much is that it gives you that fairy tale vibes that we used to, watch and listen to as a kid, or the kind of story that you listen from your grandparents and parents, but a beautifully and updated version of it for people who are not that small kids anymore. And I loved every second of it. And I loved their hair colors. I know it doesn't sound that big of a deal. Even to me too, it didn't until this book. It's hard for me to imagine people with too much, details or horns or different hair colors and something. But in this book, that pink, golden and blue hair gives me that vivid imagination of the characters and even of the whole story and the world. So it was not that hard for me to imagine that thing in this particular book because of the writing and the setting. This whole series was a 5-star rate for me. I didn't expect it that I will love this series so much. I started reading this because I had a novel story idea and that has a fantasy romance elements. So I wanted to find and read a book that is similar. So I picked this up and then I got lost into the story. Read it if you like and want to read a YA romantasy with plot twist and engaging and beautiful writing. I hope you found this video helpful and if you have already read this book or you are going to read this series, then do let me know that in the comment section. Also, don't forget to share your book recommendations in the comment section. To connect with me, you can follow me on my Instagram. I'm very much active there and I also have a book blog where I upload short stories, poem and book reviews that are written by me. So I'll give all the links in the description box, so do check it out. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, read as many books you want and can, and bye bye.